Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's been a while since I've posted. I've been clean shaven since the last video and I've got facial hair again. It's been that long. Just things got stupidly busy, which is amazing because it just means that people are hiring me for what I do and my content and what that looks like. So the fact that I couldn't make a video anytime sooner is a blessing. But I do want to try and keep on top of this. So today we're going to talk about presets, how to import them, and what do they do. So let's start with what do they do. So they are settings that are already pre-made that when you put onto a photo, it'll make that photo in the style of whatever those settings are. So if the highlights are down on the slider, then the highlights in the photo are going to be down and stuff like that. If the HSL color sliders are different, it can change the colors of the photos, and it saves you time learning how to edit from scratch. Some people think that beginners shouldn't use presets because it's a lazy way of editing. You're not going to learn how to edit a photo if you're not editing a photo, but I disagree. With presets, you can't just slap them on and the photo is going to be perfect straight away. So you do actually learn how to edit because of a preset. You'll look at the settings on your photo and you'll be like, this doesn't look right, how do I change this? And you learn how to edit by changing what doesn't work. So we're just going to dive straight into Lightroom and I'll show you how I install my presets and what it looks like. So there's two ways you can import a preset into Lightroom. One is by a DNG file, which is actually a photo like this that you can see of Jake. Hopefully Jake doesn't mind me using this photo. And what's different about it is that it's not a JPEG. JPEGs don't carry that much data, so when editing there's limitations which we can go into another time, but we're just going to talk about presets for now. So what is a DNG? A DNG is basically like a JPEG, but it carries the data of all the settings. So basically that photo is carrying the preset. A lot of companies now, especially with using Lightroom Mobile, they'll send you preset as a photo and then you import them into Lightroom Mobile and then take the settings from that photo and make it a preset. So this is what we're going to do with this one. So as you can see, all the sliders have got pre-made settings. This is our preset. This is what we want, but we want to use this onto other photos. So how do we take this from this one photo and able to use it onto others? So this is what we do. When you're in the develop tab, what you'll see on the left hand side is a section that says presets. So as you'll see, I've already imported all mine, or the majority of them, and you'll have this little plus sign. What we can do is create preset. So anything that's on this photo right now will be taken for the preset. So we just click that, all the settings are there. You can name it whatever you want. YouTube test, create, and then this should be in the file at the bottom. So now you can take that preset and put it on any photo, but you've got to remember that that is set up for this photo, so you might need to adjust things, but it's a lot easier than starting from scratch. Like I said, this can also be done on Lightroom Mobile. If you import the DNG file into Lightroom Mobile, you do the same thing and you've got it on your phone. There is another way that companies send presets, which is by an XML file. So this is just for desktop. I don't think it allows it for mobile, but what you do is click on the same plus button, import presets, and wherever it is on your computer, wherever the XML file is, it'll allow you to import it and then they'll be in the same place as where the DNG file one was. So I'm going to keep this one nice and short. If this did help you, please hit the like button, maybe leave a comment and subscribe. And if there's anything else you want to see, just let me know and I'll try and help. See you next time.